Welcome to Bentong Town, Mr. Hill. Look at this old little stall. It's already been there about 40 years. Same stall, same location, same people.
Wow, then we must stop and get something to eat. It must be a local favorite to last there for such long period.
Queuing for good food is unavoidable.
What to eat, Cerise?
Fried noodles.
Fujuk. Tau Fu Bok. Fishball. Tau Fu. Bitter gourd, brinjal, okra stuffed with ground meat, and other variation of Yong Tau Foo.
Complemented with this special sweet soy sauce that make the fried noodles exclusively delicious than other stalls.
Oh, can't wait to try it out.
Finally comes our turn.
Let's have some noodles and Yong Tau Foo, and the sweet soy sauce, curry paste, curry soup. I want to try it all out. Haha.
No problem.
Here you go. CheeCheongFun. Taste good with Yong Tau Foo and the sauce too.
Next round must try.
Bentong folks used to buy the noodles in takeaway form or so-called dapao, then bring home to eat or bring to other eateries. Order a drink and eat.
This is a channel about foodie discovery. We feature various foodstuff through video, from instant food to local favorite to trendy products.
Come to join us for the interesting food journey. Subscribe. Kudos to you to travel around the world of food.
Here's the curry paste, the sweet soy sauce, the curry soup, just enjoy the food, like the local Bentong people. Hot curry paste.
The spicy level is bearable, no worries. Curry soup gives more moisture to the noodles. Spice up the meal with additional aroma. This special sweet soy sauce is my favorite.
Normally the local community will choose the sauce they preferred to the noodles, not necessarily adding all, like what we did.
Taste good. The noodles taste spicy with a bit of sweetness and salty. Noodles are chewy, not too soft. Matched my appetite.
Yong Tau Foo also not bad, meeting my expectation. So fast, about to finish.
For kudos score, 9 points out of 10.
See you next Tuesday with another local people recommended kopitiam in Bentong.